cluster analysis. This time, we still use JMP. So for assignment 6, the dataset I'm going to use for tutorial will be different from the assignment data. So keep in mind, you are going to use cluster analysis to analyze the assignment data, so which is assignment 6 dataset. So you are required to conduct cluster analysis using 2 variables. So one is a loyalty score, another is annual spending, right? So bank customers. And once you conduct the cluster analysis, I set the number of clusters to 5. And then you need to identify the clusters with the highest loyalty score and annual spendings. And with that cluster as your target, and you need to describe some majority characteristic of the cluster of the customer in that cluster in terms of age and gender. Right? So quite straightforward. So the dataset is a small dataset. You can see there's only customer ID and gender, age, or demographic attributes of customers. And the annual spending and the loyalty score is the one you use for the cluster analysis. So as a past assignment, and this time again, you need to have the 3 sections: data, method, and result. So keep in mind, you need to properly format your report. I want to say the consistent with the format of your tables and figures, right? And for figures, I see a lot of students like give the numbers of the figure, like figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, but the title and actually embedded in their Excel or other tools create the graphs, right? So that you will get some deduction if you submit that type of format in this assignment. You need to put the figure title and the number at the same inside the same titles. So that would be, for example, you are showing the price, right, or 5-day moving average price. So you should have title as figure 1, 5-day moving average of price. Right? You shouldn't have a figure showing a title as a figure 1, and then the 5-day moving average is embedded inside your figure. So be mindful, you are required to properly format your report, not only the discussion, but also the figure, the tables. And make sure you have the consistent format in terms of font size, color. So this is the data set I'm going to use as a tutorial. So the data is still customer data, but it's customers of specific